Hello everyone, it's your boy Winswap here, and in today's tutorials we are going to talk about the row widget. So in the last video we talked about the column widget, which helps us to display items in the vertical manner. So we are now going to talk about the column widget, which will help us to display items in the horizontal manner. So for us to do so, let's copy only this access image, this image widget. So I'll cut this one. I'm not going to use this one. Then I'll delete the whole column widget. And for us to create this column widget, we first need, for us to create this row widget, we just need to type our row, bring our opening and closing curly braces like this. We call the child property, which will give us the ability to add multiple widgets into the app. So first, what I'll do is I'll add a text widget, which will be text 1. So let me wrap it with a single quotation mark, and let me bring a space. So let's see, as you can see, we now have our text 1. So let's give it a front style to be text style, and a font size of, let's say, 20. Yeah. So with this row widget, I'll add multiple different widgets. So let's add a button. Hope you remember, it was called elevated button, which is this one. And then you give the child to be a text, which will also say text 2. So let's save. So have you seen, we are now displaying all these things in a row format. That's from left. We are now displaying this in a horizontal manner. So let's add another widget, which I guess let's go for the icon too as well. Then you get icons dots. Let's add the person. So we now have the person icon, and let me add in my image. So this is my image too as well. Yeah, so let me get rid of the width. For this error, I'll come back and talk about it in details. So I guess I'll use a quick fix for this one. So we now have all these things being displayed in a row format. So on this row too, we can call properties like main axis alignment, which will be main axis alignment dot. Let's first pick center, and let's see. So we now have it in the center. We can also call for the main axis alignment to the end also as well. So you now have the image at the end, and main axis alignment. Let's work with the space between two as well, and space between. So yeah, this is how we can work with the image widget. Sorry. So yes, this is how we can work with the row widget in Flutter. So as usual, let's head to pub.dev and witness and read it ourselves. So for us to do so, let's search for Flutter, which is this one, docs, widget catalog, the basics, and you scroll down, you can now see the row. So yes, from here, as you can see, there are more to it and more that you can read also. So if you read this one into details, this error, you will know how to fix it, but we'll do it ourselves. We can use the expanded widget, which will be a widget that we'll talk about in the future. You have the size box. There are so many widgets. That's the reason why I always show you where you can get and read more in terms of building mobile app yourself using Flutter. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll use all the knowledge that we have learned to build a simple mobile app UI. And I know you will love it. So I'll see you in that section.